here. Welcome back to my channel. A few of you helped me gather up some money to go to the Dollar Tree, so this is what I got. I got a little chalkboard and a little chalk pen. This is weird. I don't know what it's really made of, but that's cool. I got some containers. I got some reindeer moss. I got 2 bags. I got a pen and pencil holder, craft holder. Ornamental crushed glass, which could look really cool in geode molds. I also got a plastic terrarium. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to make of it yet. I'll come up with an idea. And I got some shells. I love this because I can reuse these glass containers for something else. And I got some mini drawers. I got more, but I don't know what I did with them. I didn't know what I did with the rest of my stuff. It's probably still in the car. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, buy me some coffee. Oh, and I have a Kickstarter. The link is down below. Thank you for all your support so far. Have a great day. Namaste.